Good morning, students. Let us go for the application of CD formula. Whenever we have to convert sum or difference into product, then we have to use what? CD formulas. Let us see the application of it. Now the question is here, express the following as a product. Now cos 10 degree minus cos 50 degree. Now here I am applying the formula cos C minus cos D, and we know cos C minus cos D is what? 2 sin C plus D by 2 into sin D minus C by 2. Then applying the result, 2 sin 10 plus 50 by 2 into sin 50 minus 10 by 2. Simplifying, 2 sin 30 into sin 20. And we know sin 30 is 1 by 2, putting its value, simplifying, so this is equal to sin 20 degree. Let us see the next question again. We have to prove cos 9x minus cos 5x upon sin 17x minus sin 3x equal to minus sin 2x upon cos 10x. Let us consider the left hand side. We can easily apply the CD formula in the numerator as well as in the denominator. Again applying cos C minus cos D. Now I am applying cos C minus cos D is minus 2 sin C plus D by 2 sin C minus D by 2. Either we can apply D minus C by 2, or we can take minus here common and we can apply sin C minus D by 2. There are two results, you can apply any one of the result. Now again it becomes minus 2 sin 9x plus 5x by 2 sin 9x minus 5x by 2. Similarly, sin C minus sin D is what? 2 cos C plus D by 2 sin C minus D by 2. Simplifying it, sin 7x will be cancelled out. We are left with here minus sin 2x upon cos 10x. Now let us see the next question. Cos 4x plus cos 3x plus cos 2x upon sin 4x plus sin 3x plus sin 2x equal to cot 3x. Just see student, on the right hand side we left with cot 3x. It means this is required angle on the right hand side. Required angle is 3x. It means we have to eliminate all other angles. So firstly we are doing the pairing. It can be written as cos 4x plus cos 2x plus cos 3x upon sin 4x plus sin 2x plus sin 3x. Then applying again here CD formula cos C plus cos D sin C plus sin D. Applying here 2 cos C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2 plus cos 3x as it is. Similarly in the denominator applying sin C plus sin D is 2 sin C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2 plus sin 3x as it is. Simplifying, we are getting here 2 cos 3x into cos x plus cos 3x, 2 sin 3x into cos x plus sin 3x. Then taking common numerator, cos 3x is common, we left with 2 cos x plus 1. In the denominator again sin 3x is common, we left with 2 cos x plus 1. These two terms are the same, they will cancel each other, and we know cos by sin is cot, so this is equal to cot 3x. Now let us see the next question. The question is again sin 8x into cos x minus sin 6x into cos 3x upon cos 2x into cos x minus sin 3x into sin 4x equal to tan 2x. Now here let us see how to do the question. First we have to apply the product formula, multiplying each quantity of the numerator and denominator by 2. Then it becomes 2 sin 8x into cos x, 2 sin 6x into cos 3x, 2 cos 2x into cos x, 2 sin 3x into sin 4x. Now firstly we have to apply what? AB formula. 2 sin A cos B, sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. Minus again applying here the same result. 2 sin A cos B, sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. Similarly 2 cos A cos B, cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. Minus again applying 2 sin A sin B cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. Just applying AB formula and simplifying, we are getting here what? Sine 9x will be cancelled out. We left with sine 7x minus sine 3x. Similarly, in the denominator, again cos x will be cancelled out. We left with what? Cos 3x plus cos 7x. Then applying here the CD formula, sin c minus sin d, 2 cos c plus d by 2, sin c minus d by 2. Similarly, cos c plus cos d, 2 cos c plus d by 2, cos c minus d by 2. Then simplifying, we left with here, this is cos 5x will be cancelled out. We left with sin by cos, and it is equal to tan 2x. This is one of the good question, because in same question we are using AB formula as well as the CD formula. Now let us see some more important question. Prove that cos x plus cos y whole square plus sin x minus sin y whole square equal to 4 cos square x plus y by 2. Then again we can apply here CD formula, cos c plus cos d, sin c minus sin d. Applying this formula again here in these two brackets, cos x plus y is 2 cos x plus y, 2 cos x plus y by 2 is common. We are taking it common. It becomes 4 cos square x plus y by 2 common. We left with here cos square x minus y by 2 plus sin square x minus y by 2. Now we know cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. So we left with here 4 cos square x plus y by 2 into 1, and that is equal to 4 cos square x plus y by 2, and that is our right hand side. Now let us see the next question. We have to prove that cos alpha plus cos beta plus cos gamma plus cos alpha plus beta plus gamma equal to right hand side. Now first I am doing the pairing of first two and the last two. Then it becomes cos alpha plus cos beta plus cos gamma plus cos alpha plus beta plus gamma. Then again applying the CD formula, 2 cos alpha plus beta by 2 cos alpha minus beta by 2. Again applying here CD formula, 2 cos, this is your alpha, this is your c, this is your d. So it become alpha plus beta plus 2 gamma by 2 cos c minus d. It means alpha plus beta plus gamma minus gamma. We left with what? Cos alpha plus beta by 2, applying the CD formulas. Then again 2 cos alpha plus beta by 2 common, taking it out, we left with here cos alpha minus beta by 2 plus cos alpha plus beta plus 2 gamma by 2. Then again we can apply here the CD formula, cos c plus cos d. This is our c, this is our d. Then here applying CD formula, 2 cos c plus d by 2 upon 2 into cos c minus d upon 2 upon 2. First, because here this 2 is here, because our c is alpha minus beta by 2, our d is alpha plus beta plus 2 gamma by 2, and this is the 2 that we have to put for the formula. Again simplifying here, applying 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. Simplifying, we are left with here 2 cos alpha plus, we left with here 2 alpha plus 2 gamma, 2 cancel with 2, we left with alpha plus gamma by 2. Similarly here we are getting here again 2 beta plus 2 gamma by 2, 2 will be cancelled out, we left with b cos beta plus gamma by 2. Now 2 is common, it will become 4 cos alpha plus beta by 2 cos beta plus gamma by 2 into cos alpha plus gamma by 2, that is our right hand side. These two are the last two, are the one of the important question of the exercise. Just do the question carefully. When you do the practice by your own hands, then you can easily solve the question. Now here this is about the CD formula. Now let me explain some more result of the trigonometrical function of multiple angles, or we can say half angles. Now see the result here. The first result is sin 2a equal to 2 sin a cos a. It means the angle that is given on the left hand side, right hand side it will be half. Here it is 2a, here it will be a. So these are known as multiple angle result, as well as we can call them as half angle result. Sin 2a is 2 sin a cos a, and another result of sin 2a is 2 tan a upon 1 plus tan square a. Similarly, cos 2a, first result is cos square a minus sin square a. But when I am eliminate sin square a from this result, I can easily put sin square a equal to 1 minus cos square a, then it become 2 cos square a minus 1. Similarly, if I am eliminating cos square a from this result, we left with 1 minus 2 sin square a. So these are the three results of cos 2a. First, cos square a minus sin square a. Second, 2 cos square a minus 1. Third, 1 minus 2 sin square a. And the fourth one is 1 minus tan square a upon 1 plus tan square a. It depends upon our question what result I have to apply in the question. Now similarly, the result of tan 2a is 2 tan a upon 1 minus tan square a. These are the three important results of what? Multiple angle, sin 2a, cos 2a, tan 2a. The main is whatsoever angle is given on the left hand side, that angle will be half on the right hand side. And one of the important deduction from these two results. Now see this result. From this result we can easily write 1 minus cos 2a equal to 2 sin square a. 1 minus cos 2a can be written as 2 sin square a. Similarly, 1 plus cos 2a equal to 2 cos square a. These results can also be used in this very form also. See it again. We only remember 1 minus cos 2a equal to 2 sin square a. 1 plus cos 2a equal to 2 cos square a. This is all about today. Tomorrow we'll see the application of this result. In the homework you have to learn all these results. This is all about today.